I'm Chief Meteorologist Marcus Bailey. Thanks for checking out this weather webcast on this very soggy Tuesday afternoon, again across central Illinois as we record this close to 3 o'clock. Storm clouds now rolling through downtown Peoria. Very wet roadways there along Interstate 74. We'll bounce across the river and see, again, those storm clouds off in the distance, looking across the river at downtown. And let's go ahead and flip over to X-Vision, and you'll see some of that rain now pushing through the northeastern portion of the metro area. In fact, a pretty darkened area just southeast of Peoria Heights right now. This is continuing to move to the north and east. We can get you in real close. There's a fresh sweep, so we'll follow it to the north and east in between the Heights and Germantown Hills now, so it has crossed the river. And from my knowledge, I don't think we're seeing any lightning strikes quite with this yet. And again, just a few cells here and there across the region. No lightning strikes. And we'll throw the loop on here over the last couple of hours, about last hour. And you can see, again, just some lingering thunderstorms kind of hanging around across the region. Well, let's go to the radar and satellite loop. And we are seeing some breaks in the clouds, some dry air trying to punch in behind this upper level disturbance is pushing through. So we may actually see a little bit of sunshine here and there. Still waiting for the warm front to completely push through the region. That should allow temperatures to warm up quite a bit for this week. In fact, temperatures should hold pretty steady through the overnight tonight. Now, we do have an elevated risk for severe weather. There's a standard slight risk that the Storm Prediction Center issues for pretty much the entire viewing area, except for along the I-80 corridor. Our threat here across central Illinois will be hail, primarily across the region, so we'll keep an eye on that. 66 in Peoria, 62 Bloomington, 73 in Lincoln, 64 in Havana, and 64 in Macomb. You can see where the warmer temperatures are with that warm front. It's in the 80s right now in St. Louis. They do have some sunshine down there. 79 in Springfield, Missouri, and in Kansas City, 82 in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Your watch morning map. We have a severe thunderstorm watch right now in Kentucky. A few, looks like wind advisories in southern Illinois and western Kentucky, and then those little orange polygons that you see are severe thunderstorm warnings. Then closest to us right now in south central Indiana, just south of Indianapolis. So that's what's going on in the severe weather front. This is a pretty active weather pattern that we're looking at right now with the warm front to our north, cold front to our west, very warm and unsettled air kind of hanging around for the next several days. So we'll have isolated thunderstorm chances through much of the day tomorrow and into Thursday as well. Another low will just camp out to our north for Thursday. Cold front will move through on Friday, giving us another chance for showers and storms. High resolution model. This is Futurecast and does pick up on the rain chances. We'll have renewed chances during the overnight tonight, probably sometime after midnight, and then that morning drive maybe a little bit soggy as well. We'll continue with rain chances through the midday and early afternoon for your Wednesday. May catch a little bit of a break Wednesday late nights before we head into the overnight hours. And some of you, again, could be seeing a few showers and storms along the I-80 corridor. Thursday, primarily, at least for the first half of the day, looks dry. But again, as that cold front starts to get a little bit closer, we'll see thunderstorms developing from the north and west and sliding into our area. It looks like probably Thursday evening. As far as rainfall potential goes on our Adonis model, this is going over the next 48 hours. The heaviest amount of rain going well to the north into southern portions of Wisconsin and northeastern Iowa. But we will see, again, a decent amount of rain, possibly up to another half an inch of rainfall across the region. And if you get a few thunderstorms, that obviously will elevate your rainfall totals to that maybe 3/4 of an inch to inch range. And again, we could use the rain, so no complaints, even though it has been quite dreary. And I know many of you, I am one of them, and needs to mow the lawn. May not get a very good break for that until probably sometime early next week. We are going to have very summer-like temperatures, though. Very warm weather pattern. Jet stream well to the north. And again, that means unsettled also as we head over the next several days. So we will be very warm, but we are going to be very rainy as well. They could be talking about record heat in portions of Colorado and Nebraska. It could be easily getting into the 90s by, it looks like, the weekend. So we'll keep an eye on that. That'll do it for your weather webcast on this Tuesday afternoon. Again, we're going to be tracking some of these showers and storms, so we'll continue to keep you updated on our blog, also on Facebook, Twitter, and Google+. And if you're local to us, we invite you to join us for WMBD 31 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10. I'm Chief Meteorologist Marcus Bailey. Have a great Tuesday evening.